Hello children, good morning. This is Pallavi from Madanpalli. Okay children, now I'll show some objects for you. You have to identify that objects. See here, what is this one? See, this is a scale. What is this one? This is a scale and we call it as ruler also. Okay, and see this one? This is a protractor. This is a protractor. Why we use this protractor and where we have to see this one? See, we use this protractor to draw the angles or something. Okay, and see this one. What is this one? Children most like this one. This is a compass. See what purpose we use this compass? To draw the circles or to something. Okay, and we have to see another type of scales also. See these two scales. These are in which shape? These are in triangle shape. So these scales are called it as set squares. Now where we have to see these things, I think you already know. You saw already these things in your boxes. What is that box? Do you know? Identify that one. What is that box? Geometry box. What is that box? Geometry box. You like this box? Okay. Children, almost everyone like this geometry box because in this box we can see these different types of scales, compass, etc. Okay na? So today our topic name is geometry. So what is our topic name, Nana? Geometry. What is a geometry? Tell me anyone. What is a geometry? In the lower classes onwards, we are learning this geometry. Almost every child will like this geometry. Now, geometry. In this geometry, geo and metry. You have to divide this geometry into two parts, geo and metry. What is meant by geo? Geo means earth. Geo means earth. Metry means measure. Metry means measure. Means what is the meaning of geometry? Means on the earth we are seeing so many things. These things we have to measure. So that is called the geometry. What is that? Geometry. So today we are discussing about this geometry topic. And all the geometry topic starts from the point. What is that one? Point. See here, where we have to see this point? Your mother daily wear rangoli in front of your houses. How she started the rangoli? To put the dots like this. Like this, no? See, if we join all these dots, formed a good rangoli. So here mother uses the point, means a point. See some points joined and they formed a rangoli. So actually these are all the dots, but in our math we call it as that is point. What is the use of this point? This point indicates an exact location. This point indicates an exact location. And it is having any length or breadth or height? No, it is not having any length, breadth or height and depth also. So, where we can see this point means especially in the map pointing. So, in your social subject also, in the exams, they will give you point out or mention some places in the world map or India map. You have to identify. Now, for example, continents. On the world map, how will you mention? Using the point and one arrow mark, that is Africa or Australia, something. So, that point shows an exact location. That points show an exact location, but it is not having any length, breadth or height, and it is denoted by the capital letters. point A, point P, point Q, point R. Like this we have to mention. So this is a point. And in your Google map also we can see this point. A red color point shows, that indicates the point. That is also point. Now come to the next one. Now I am keeping some points on the board. See here. Observe these points. Now what they formed here. See, so many points I joined here. They formed one line. What is that one? Line. It will be very nearly points. The points are joined one by one. That will be a line segment. See, a line segment is having two end points. A line segment is having two end points, and you can measure this line segment. How you have to measure that line segment? Using a scale. See what is the length of this line segment means you have to take the scale and keep it on the paper or board and measure it. So how much is there? 11 centimeter is there. So a line segment is having a particular length and it is having two end points. It is having two end. The capital letter AB. AB bar. We can say AB bar. AB bar is equal to 11 centimeters. AB bar equal to 11 centimeters. And it is having a particular length. What is the example for a line segment? What is the example for line segment? Length of the board. Can you measure this length of the board? Breadth of the board and length of the book or length of the breadth of the box. Something we can measure exactly. So which one we can measure exactly? No, that is a line segment. Line segment. Okay. It is also denoted by the capital letters and it is having two end points. Okay. Now I am taking this line segment only and I am extending this line segment in the both sides. See here, this is a line segment but it extends in the both sides. This is called the line. What is this one? Line. So a line segment is a part of a line. In a line there is no end. It extends in both the directions. So it is not having any particular length. We can't measure this length.